And then right here, I connect those two and I just drag it. That just helps not break all that face grain for later on. Just give us a nice clean line to cut to, and it just kind of tells us where we want. And then best practice is to take all this waste, this fat here in front of our line, take all that off. Before we get close to our line, we take all that off so that chisel doesn't dive, you don't crush all the grain, and you'll see. So I come back, I usually leave like 3/16-ish to the line. Just like that. And be careful at the end not to just swing right through and like drive your chisel home. You know, right at the end, just tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap.